lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And welcome to another Amazon home decor haul video. So yes guys, after such a long time, I'm doing Amazon haul video, Amazon home decor haul. So make sure to watch this video till the end because I have some amazing and something that you need to have in your house from Amazon. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So yes guys, in this haul you're gonna see some amazing home decor items from Amazon. Price थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे है तो आप देख लीजिए, and obviously whatever price that I'll be saying here, it might differ, so please don't get confused with that. So now let's get started. Okay, so the first item that I have with me in this haul is, ta-da guys, this cute soup bowl, or like like whatever bowl you wanna call it out, but it is a ceramic bowl. I ordered this in pair of 2 and it's in beige color and it is a ceramic material, you can see that, and it has this color combination of beige and brown to it. One is already in the use in my kitchen and then मैंने आपको सिर्फ ये एक ही लाकर दिखा रही हूँ. And yes guys, it is a noodle bowl. Like इतना ज्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं, इतना छोटा भी नहीं है, but it is perfect, just like me and my red dress right here. And if you want the link is in the description. Okay, so yes guys, this is the first cute item and I absolutely love it because I love ceramic products. थोड़ा सा risky है, but guys trust me, it is worth it. And you get this in set of 4 as well. But just to try, just to look whether it will be good or not, I ordered this in the pair of 2. So I have this one and another one as well. But if you like this one, you can go for set of 4 as well because आप थोड़ा affordable rate में मिल जाएगा. Okay, so yeah, this is the first cute item that I have with me. For set of 2, it cost me 489 rupees, and I think in 489 set of 2 is perfect because it is a ceramic material, guys. So aesthetic, so pin interesting. So yes guys, this is the first item that I have with me. Okay, the second item that I have with me again, which we're gonna use this in kitchen. So the item that I'm talking about is this reusable kitchen towel, guys. इसका ना मैंने इतना ज़्यादा Instagram में वो दिखा, मतलब ad दिखा. So I thought I should give it a try because मुझे Instagram से order करने में थोड़ा सा problem होता है because मुझे मेरे साथ पहले से ही scam हो चुका है. तो इसलिए मैंने इसको Amazon में search किया. So it was available in Amazon. So मैंने ये वाला ले लिया and ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, इट इज रियली गुड. आपका किचन टॉवल ना बार बार धोने में आपको झंझट हो जाता है ना, तो दिस इज द वन गाइज. ऐसा वाला यू हैव टू जस्ट tear it and then you can use this for multiple times guys. आप इसको ना कितना भी ज्यादा रीयूज कर सकते हो. आप ऐसा पोंछ कर इसको थोड़ा सा धोकर रख दीजिए and then you can keep on using this one guys. Trust me, it is so good and it is a pack of 1 and it has this 20 seats to it. आपको ये cleaning, washing जो भी करना है आप कर सकते हो guys. And for this one it cost me 249 rupees and I think 249 it is a steal deal. So yes guys, if you are struggling with your kitchen towel, go for this one guys. It's a lifesaver product. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. अभी kitchen से थोड़ा निकल कर बाहर living room पर आ जाते हैं. Okay, so the item that I have with me for your living room or for any room you can say. So the item that I have with me is this plant stand. You can keep your flowers, your plants in it. It is a set of 3. So I'll just show you one because दो तो already use पे है, ये भी use में था तो मैं निकाल कर लाई हूँ उधर से. So you get this one. This is basket and this is the stand you get. Like it is in golden color and white color. It is a combination of golden and white. You get in other colors like black and white as well. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me. This is the steel stand and this is the basket and इसके अंदर आप अपना प्लांट डाल सकते हो, आपका फ्लावर भी डाल सकते हो, with pot, without pot, it's up to you. So yes guys, this is set of 3. It's a height wise say first थोड़ा taller and this is the middle one and then थोड़ा सा shorter one. Okay, then by adding this in your living room, it will give that very different glow to your living room or any room you can say. So I highly recommend you guys to go and give it a try because I absolutely love it. Okay, and for this set it cost me 1199 rupees and I think in 1199 it is a steal deal. So yeah, this is the first item for your living room. Okay, so another important thing that you need to have in your living room or any room, why am I saying living room, but like especially people in majority, if you'll see, they'll keep all these things in their living room. So the item that I'm talking about is this cushions right here guys. Just look at it, how fluffy it is. This one, I ordered this one in a set of 5 and trust me guys, I fell in love with it the moment that I saw this one. इतना ज्यादा अच्छा है guys ये वाला cushion ना, I can't even tell you. By 16 inches cushion and I just absolutely love it. It is a set of 5 and trust me guys, for this set it just cost me 526 rupees. Trust me guys, you can see that I have this already. This is another one which I have. This is the another one that I have with me guys. Cover के साथ नहीं आता है, but look at it, how pretty does it look with the cover guys. Absolutely love it. Highly recommended for your living room. Okay, so another item that I have with me in this haul is ta-da! Guys, this curtains right here guys. I hope you guys have already seen this curtain in my vlog, like you know, in my living room. It is a velvet cover, you can see that. It's a velvet cover and then it has this length of 8 feet. थोड़ा सा मुझे कट करना पड़ा, थोड़ा लंबा हो गया मेरा विंडो के लिए, बट मेरा मॉम ना इतना जुगाड़ू है ना, वो भी उसने यूज कर लिया टेबल क्लॉथ बनाने के लिए. Okay, this is the curtain that I have with me. I just absolutely love it. You get this in other colors as well. You can see the design going on right here. I love this color combination of golden and beige. Absolutely love it. First I ordered this in set of 2 and that time it cost me around 1200 and something, and later I ordered in set of 3 and that time it cost me around 1500 something like that. So according to your preference you can order a set of 2, set of 3, set of 4, set of 6. आप जितना ज्यादा ऑर्डर करोगे उतना आपको थोड़ा कम पड़ेगा. Okay, so yes guys, I just absolutely love it. So I highly recommend you guys this one because इसका quality इतना अच्छा है, इसका length अच्छा है, दिखने में अच्छा है, it feels good, material is really good, and if this is not the color that you're looking for, you can go for other colors as well. Okay, so yeah, this is another item that I have with me. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. So another item that I have with me, which is my personal favorite, my pocket friendly product, and who don't love to do karaoke, right? We love to do karaoke. Whenever we meet our friends, we love to do karaoke. Whenever we go out, we love to do karaoke. Whenever there's a family gathering, we love to do karaoke. But the problem is that there's always this big box that you cannot carry everywhere you go. So for that, I have a solution for you. Also, the item that I'm talking about is this portable, or you can say mobile karaoke set. First of all, let's appreciate the color, which is in pink color guys. Trust me, इतना ये ना छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका है. Trust me guys, this is the box that we have here with me. Ta-da! Guys, how cute is the box first of all, and then you get this different buttons to it, and then trust me guys, it's the different wala. You can connect this to your TV, to your laptop, to your mobile, anything, to your Bluetooth, like anything with via Bluetooth or via cable as well. You can see that, and this holder to it is like so cute, and then नीचे रखने में भी ऐसा वाला दिया है. So this is the box to it, and ta-da! Guys, this is the mic that we have here with me. Absolutely love it. This is not just available in pink color, other colors are also available. Okay, so yeah, this is the one, and then you need to turn on like this, and then आप इसको भी इससे वाला ये वाला बटन से ऑन कर सकते हो. And in order to charge, you get this cable as well. So yes guys, this is one of the best purchase from Amazon guys. I highly recommend you guys this one because itna zyada cost bhi nahi hai guys. It just cost me 1312 rupees, and I think in 1312 it's worth it. It's worth it guys, worth it. Okay, थोड़ा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आपको दिखाई रही हूँ, तो चलो दूसरा भी दिखा देती हूँ. So the item that I have with me is this tripod right here guys. ये वाला tripod मेरे पास पहले से ही था, बट मैंने ना मेरा फ्रेंड के एंगेजमेंट में उसको खो दिया, तो इसलिए मैंने ये दूसरा वाला मंगाया. बट दैट वन वाज बेटर टू बी ऑनेस्ट गाइज, बट एज कम्पेयर टू दिस वन वो थोड़ा सा बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्पैक्ट था, ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा है इससे. बट ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज वर्थ इट. इट इज वर्थ इट. इज स्टडी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट इज सो स्टडी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड देन यू कैन सी दैट इतना ज्यादा आपको ऐसा वाला लेंथ इतना ज्यादा लंबा है, इतना ज्यादा लंबा है. यू कैन सी दैट गाइज. गाइज राइट, आप इससे ना सेल्फी भी ले सकते हो. यू कैन सी दैट राइट, ऐसा करके ना दूर से आप ऐसा वाला टिक 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 करके सेल्फी भी ले सकते हो. दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट. ये बहुत ज्यादा रोटेट होता है. देखो इधर भी आपको कोई किसी भी आपको फिल्म करना है, यू कैन डू दैट. ओके, एंड देन आपको वर्टिकल में भी आप ऐसा पोर्ट्रेट भी कर सकते हो, एंड ऐसा लैंडस्केप वाला भी कर सकते हो. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी. ऐसा वाला जैसे आपका मन हो आप ऐसा ही कर सकते हो गाइज. ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज सो गुड. एंड देन यस गाइज, दिस इज द वन दैट आई हैव विथ मी, एंड दिस वन इज ल्यूमिस्टिक प्रो, एंड दूसरा वाला है सिर्फ ल्यूमिस्टिक. ये ना मुझे पड़ा 1329 रुपीज, एंड आई थिंक इन 1329 इट इज अ स्टील डील. इफ यू आर अ new creator, then I think I suggest you guys go for this one because it is totally worth it. Okay, so another item that I have with me is this rack that I have ordered like 4-5 months back, but मैं पूरा भूल चुकी थी उसके बारे में. But now I remember when I was checking my order history, I saw, oh my god, I have this product as well. So I really wanted to show you guys this one. Because I've ordered this one for my thrift store, guys. मैंने इसको अभी तक assemble नहीं किया है. You can see that, right? This is the one because specially I've ordered this one for my thrift store, okay? For my thrift store because मुझे ना ऐसा वाला रख के अच्छा वाला पूरा वो करना है. मतलब ऐसा वाला देखो, दिस इज द वन दैट आई हैव विथ मी. सो मुझे ना ये थोड़ा पूरा असेंबल करना पड़ेगा. मैं जब असेंबल करूंगी तो आपको मैं दिखा दूंगी. अभी इतना ही देख लीजिए बिकॉज आगे फिर मुझे पूरा जाना अंदर घुसाना पड़ेगा. सो यस गाइज, दिस इज द वन मेरे पास. सो यस गाइज, दिस इज द वन. इसका पूरा इसका अंदर का वो भी है. सो मुझे ये ना पूरा असेंबल करना पड़ेगा. सो मैं असेंबल करके आपको दिखा दूंगी. सो इफ यू आर ऑल्सो इन नीड ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ रैक, you can go for it because I think it's a pretty good one. It's available in other colors as well, and for this one it cost me 1299 rupees, and I think in 1299 it is a good deal. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. So another item that I have with me in this haul is chair right here, guys. This chair is so good. If you know, I have this dining table in my kitchen, and then मैंने पूरा ऐसा वाला chair order किया है. Very affordable. It's from IKEA, and then इतना ज़्यादा space भी नहीं लेता है, guys. Perfect. Everyone when they visit my place, so they ask me where this chair is from. So yes guys, this is from Amazon and it is from the brand IKEA. इसको assemble करना भी इतना ज़्यादा वो मतलब इतना ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है. आपको वो guide paper मिल जाएगा. So yes guys, it is so good, so affordable and so fancy, so pin interesting. So ये ना एक मुझे ना 1200 समथिंग को पड़ा है. सो फॉर ईच इट आई पेड 1200 एंड समथिंग रुपीज. सो इतना ज़्यादा क्यूट है गाइज, यू कैन सी दैट, राइट? ओके, सो लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, आई हैव दिस plant pot that I've ordered recently. I bought this bonsai plant when I went to Siliguri, so I decided to get this pot from Amazon. The pot that I'm talking about is this one right here, guys, this white pot. You can see that, right? So this pot that I've ordered, and it is in its price is 399. I'll just show you, okay? Yes guys, you can see that this is the pot that I'm talking about. So cute, and I love my bonsai plant, guys. Trust me, it is looking so fancy and so cute. Love it. And then yes guys, itna zyada expensive hi nahi hai, and it doesn't look like it's a plastic one. It looks like it's a ceramic one, but plastic ka hai. So yes guys, this is the one that I have ordered with me. So if you're looking for this kind of pot, you can order this one as well. So yes guys, this is the last item that I have with me, and I just absolutely love it. So yes guys, please do let me know in the comment box below which item from today's haul did you like the most, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.